Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove default cell borders in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then you can open your spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now you can see here are a default cell borders on this sheet. Now I can remove these all cell borders, default cell borders in Excel. At first you have to click a cell, then drag on your mouse to select this all cell. Then right click on this selected cell, then go to you can see here are a format cell option. Then click this format cells. Now you can see here are many option. Now I can choose border. Now you can see our presets menu, then click none. You can then press OK. Now you can see I remove these default cell borders in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.